Hi, so you might run into the situation where you've forgotten your sysadmin password for your SQL Server and you can't log in. So what I'm going to do in this tutorial is follow these simple steps and show you how to start SQL Server in single user mode so you can add a new sysadmin to the SQL Server. So what this does is you don't have to actually reinstall your SQL Server, you just have to add a new sysadmin and then reset the passwords for your other existing users. So let me get started here. And the first thing I'm going to do is go into the services and stop my SQL Server. And while I'm in here, I want to click on properties here and locate the SQL Server executable. So you notice here it's actually in program files, SQL Server, the version, MSSQL, Binn, and then this SQL Server executable here. So just to confirm, I'm going to go into Windows Explorer. You'll notice it's in program file SQL Server, the version MSSQL, and that bin directory, and you'll notice the executable is right here. And so secondly, what you want to do is open up two PowerShell windows in admin with admin privileges. Now I am going to cut and paste this command which starts the SQL Server in single user mode, and you'll notice there's the -s parameter for the instance name, and then also -m for the SQL command. And I will have this cheat sheet in the description area of the video so you can cut and paste like I have. Now before I run this command to start the SQL Server in single user mode, what I want to do is also log in immediately after I have started the service. So I'm going to go in here and I am going to type the instance name, the server, which is just a dot, and then the instance name. Now this is just particular to me. You will have to type in your own instance name, whatever you install the SQL Server as. Now I am going to start this in single instance mode by hitting enter, and quickly, once that has stopped, in this window I am going to log in. And you'll notice here I have the SQL command prompt, the one here. Now I just want to show you that it is started in single user mode here. As you can see right here, it says it is started in single user mode. Now I'm going to go in here and I am going to show you the users from syslogins. And I'm going to click go. You'll notice here are the logins. I have the SA user. Now I'm going to add a username root. I'm just going to cut and paste this command. Now you might want to just add a Windows user with the domain name and then the login name. If you do not have the SQL authentication activated, you just have Windows authentication, then you would use this command. Now I'm going to use this command because I do have SQL authentication activated. And I'm going to add the user root. So this is just your normal create login SQL command here. And I'm going to set the password to password 123, and I'm going to make sure to have the colon. I'm going to click put in go. That's important, so that's actually going to execute the command. Now if I select the syslogins again, and I'm going to type in go, you'll notice at the bottom here I've created the user root. Now I'm going to give the user root the sysadmin privileges. Once again, I will have that cheat sheet in the description area of the video. And type in the username login root, semicolon, go, which actually executes the command. And now I've created the new user root with sysadmin privileges, and now I could restart my service. So let me kill this service first by clicking Control-C to kill the service, shut down the server. And now in my window here, I am going to restart my service. I'm going to go into my SQL Server Management Studio, and I'm going to log in as root here with my password of password 123, and then notice here I am able to log in. So that's how you recover your username and password, or basically adding a sysadmin, in which case you could now reset your passwords for all of your other users. And I hope this helped, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.